Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to create a charge in the Fresa Global Application. To begin, log into the Fresa Global Application. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be able to view the homepage. Next, navigate to the menu page. Click on it to open the full menu panel. In the search bar, type ChargeMaster and click on Search. From the results, select ChargeMaster. You will now be directed to the ChargeMaster list page. On this page, click the Submit button to view the recently created charges. Then, click on the Create button located at the top right corner. This will open the ChargeMaster creation form. Now, enter all the required details such as code, description, business type, charge percentage type, and profit percentage type. Next, move to the Info tab and fill in the following account details: Revenue WIP AC code, Actual Revenue AC code, Accrual Expense AC code, and Actual Expense AC code. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. And that's it. You have successfully created a charge in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.